Alright, so we just finished my birthday run. It was held in Acro City and there were over 100 supercars that went. So thank you to everyone who went. And for you guys who hasn't seen the video yet, click on the link down below and watch the video. So we're back at the shop. We were actually supposed to wrap the 458 before the birthday run. Unfortunately, kailangan unahin yung clients and hindi tayo umabot. So now that we are back, we have some time to wrap the car and we have the new color that we're gonna be wrapping it with. So actually, itong color na to, sobrang tagal ko na siyang gusto. I've seen it a couple of times abroad, but I've never seen it here in the Philippines. And one of you guys actually commented for me to use this color. So you will be getting a prize. Ito yung nakapili. Ito yung nagsabi kung what film we should use, and I really like that suggestion. So you get a special Second Skin Industries merchandise that we will be sending to you. So please contact us if you are this guy. Okay? So the color that we chose is, let me open the box. So this is actually a limited edition color, and we are lucky enough to actually have this here in the shop kasi I believe akala ko ubos na siya. So the color is Inozetek Super Gloss Boneyard White. So this is a limited edition color and I cannot wait to see this on the Ferrari. So if you guys don't know what color this is actually the color that was on Manny Kioshbin's Hermes edition Bugatti Chiron. So this color is very nice. We're also going to be painting the wheels in this color para monotonous siya, quite similar to Manny's Chiron. So this is the first time I'm not going with black wheels. So I'm very excited kung anong kalalabasan niya. And now we are going to dismantle the Ferrari and we will start wrapping it, and hopefully it gets finished before the weekend. Alright, and here we have the shop car finally wrapped, and we chose the color Inozetek Boneyard White, and it's a limited edition color and I think it looks so nice. There should be more cars wrapped in this color. So this is a limited edition color from Inozetek and we are lucky that we have them on stock. We also color matched the wheels with film. Just wanna give it that monotonous look, inspired by Manny Kioshbin's Bugatti Chiron. Of course, we cannot afford the Bugatti Chiron, but right now we can afford to make it look like a Bugatti Chiron. Yeah, and I feel like it looks great. And as you notice, we also installed the carbon fiber parts na. So the chin, side skirts, even on the side mirrors, the wing, and the rear diffuser are all now carbon fiber. If you notice this is actually a second-hand piece that I got, and it wasn't as fresh anymore. So we installed Magnus Pro carbon fiber PPF, and it refreshed the carbon fiber. It looks brand new. And we also did that here at the back. So I really like how this makes it look more one of a kind. So it's a garnish for the taillight and of course the wing. Sobrang ganda. And it just looks so aggressive at the back, especially in this angle. Like, shit, ganda. And of course, with all the cars that we do in Second Skin, made sure that we also wrap the door shuts and returns. So everything has been wrapped. And even the step sill here, I wrapped it also in a Magnus Pro carbon fiber PPF. And I think it looks great. So, dati kasi it was too much, the red exterior with the red interior. Now I feel like it's blending much better because the interior is red and the exterior is somewhat like a dull color. So bumagay naman siya. And I'm very excited for you guys to see this under the sunlight. So we're gonna shoot this under the sunlight for you to see how this car really looks. So sobrang ganda niya. Very happy. And of course, that concludes our episode number 3 for our 458 build. What should we do next? Comment it down below and we will get back to you on the next episode. See you!